Summer is here. Every day you need to protect your skin from the sun damage. Sunblock is much more important than sunscreen. If you're looking for protection for your skin against the sun damage, look for titanium or zinc in your sunblock or the cream that you're going to use to protect yourself. When you are specifically looking for titanium or zinc-based products, those products will not have a carcinogenic product in it. So if you're applying your makeup, make sure that the makeup has some sunblock in it. And there are so many wonderful new powders that add titanium or zinc into their products to help you with the sunblock that you need on day-to-day basis. Make sure you remember when you're driving, the side that is the driver's side, which is usually our left side, get exposed to the sun much more. You're wearing your beautiful summer dress, you're protecting your shoulder and your arm while you're driving. So try to make sure to protect your left side and wear your sunblock. Remember, if the windows are closed, you have a little bit of a protections, but that doesn't mean that you're not getting the sun damage. So always protect yourself, always protect your skin. Another thing is that please wear your sunglasses. Your eyes needs protection as well. So sunglasses with nice protection, UVA, B and C protection, should be very much in your hand, in your handbag, and always accessible. When you're looking for sunglasses, make sure that the sunglasses give you protection to broadband UV. Also, make sure when you're going to the beach, you're protecting your skin at all time. Remember, some of the products are not waterproof, and even if they are waterproof, you have to reapply your sunblock. At beach, we get excited, we are playing and we're having fun, but don't forget about your skin and reapply your sunblock. Sunscreens are not as good as sunblock. You really need to use your sunblock. You also need to use moisturizers, because when you are in the water, in the sea, in the ocean, by the pool and in the pool, because of the chlorine and other things in the pool, you need to make sure to protect your skin, and you use moisturizer as soon as you come out of the water and taking a shower. Afterward, try to moisten your skin. It's very important. Beautiful skin is always a sign of youth. So you never want to age your skin with exposure to sun.